Insta was kind enough to send me the Cover Your Crack kit. It's a really funny name, but it's an amazing product. I've already used part of my Cover Your Crack kit in our kitchen. Now I'm going to finish this project here, which is our very crusty, dusty caulking in our bathroom. Some of the features I love about this product is that this is a temporary solution to permanent caulking. It's also a lot cleaner and less messy, which is a huge benefit for me. I don't know about you, but I am terrible at caulking. Like, I get it everywhere. I never do a great job. This solves that problem fully. Inside, you're going to get 50 feet of Insta, as well as the adapters you need for turning corners, as well as your end pieces. You're also going to get this roller. That is so you get a tight seal when you are installing your Insta. Now that you're ready to start your project, I have all the items I'll need set out here. I need my scissors. These scissors are what I use. The manufacturer does recommend using a actual razor blade. I used scissors last time. It worked really well for me. The Insta is really soft. I just use a strong pair of scissors. I have my Insta itself. I have the end pieces I will need for this project. And my roller. The first step I did was a really strong, good cleaning and removed any extra debris that was on the bathtub and floor prior to starting this project.
To start the project, I pulled out my Insta and measured about how long I would need of the material. I like to just let it hang on the roll and not cut it yet. This saves me to make sure that I have the exact correct measurement once I go to actually cut my Insta. This is the point where your edge pieces are going to start coming into play. You're going to want to make sure that you have an edge piece for every end of Insta that you have. I like to secure my end pieces prior to securing down my Insta. I just find it easier to make sure I'm able to line it up perfectly. Once your end piece is secure, you're able to start installing your Insta. This is done really easily. You want to make sure that you have your roller ready and ensure you're using the correct side, the 3/4 and not the smaller side if you do have the 3/4 Insta. After that, it's pretty easy. It's a lot of rolling and pressure and making sure your Insta has stuck really well. I like to push it down with my fingers and kind of getting it into the basic placement I want, and then I slowly move along. Insta recommends that you move in about 12-inch segments so that you're not stretching the material. You want to go slowly and never pull on the material. It is really soft, so you could easily stretch it out. So just go nice and slowly and make sure that you're not tugging on the material in any way. That is one of the big reasons that I don't trim my Insta until I get to the end of where I'm going in that particular row. This ensures that I'm never having to tug on the material. I always have plenty until I'm ready to make my decision of how short it should be. One of my favorite features about Insta is that it is a temporary solution but gives such a permanent, high-end finished look when you are done with it. There is no way that I could have gotten such a smooth, clean line with actual caulking, and it really got such a beautiful finished product. There's nothing better than finishing a DIY project and feeling like it looks so professional.